Here is a wonderful 2023 Toyota Tacoma. You'll be comfortable, connected, and focused on the road or trail ahead in this capable Tacoma. Driver assistance technology, including a backup camera, comes standard, as does a composite bed, deck rail system, and no shortage of can-do attitude. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, backup camera, satellite radio, dual zone AC, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, running boards, side steps, intermittent wipers, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system. Get serious about your fun. Get into this rugged Tacoma and answer the call to adventure. We've got the expertise and professionalism to make your purchase and ownership experience the best it can be.